將軍澳海濱一帶受華家沙吹襲損毀嚴重，部分沿岸餐廳暫停營業清理。有當區區議員建議政府考慮再加建一條離岸防波堤，阻擋大浪衝上岸。由謝欣彤報導。
市區災情最嚴重之一嘅將軍澳，經過一晚仍然滿地狼藉，水馬被強風吹倒，停泊嘅單車都無法幸免。就算係鐵圍欄，都敵唔過華家沙嘅威力。一度被淹沒嘅單車徑，積水仍然未退。有居民認為情況比起山竹襲港嘅時候唔算太惡劣。
上次呢啲呢，嗰啲不鏽鋼嗰啲圍欄已經係咪扯晒落海㗎啦？今次而家佢整咗啲石屎圍欄已經好好多啦。但係呢個位冇辦法啦，即係首當其衝啦，一衝埋嚟又係你點整幾高都係嘥氣，都冇用。
我哋要兜路啊，係啊，因為咁樣過太危險啦。同埋而家我哋咁過嘅話呢，都有機會有啲人唔小心都可能驚跌落去咁樣。
喺將軍澳海濱公園入口呢度，原本擺放咗近1米高嘅沙包，喺華家沙吹襲之後，而家就散落一地。海濱大部分食肆因為水浸被迫停業，餐台餐凳倒卧一地，有員工忙於善後，居民經過想記錄低，都俾商場職員勸退。有鄰近嘅餐廳因為唔係面向海邊，只有輕微水浸，但負責人話一早趕返嚟視察。
So after the storm, because it was a lot of mess, because the wind and the water level was still here, all the way down in the corner. So we cleaned all the back door areas, all the front door. Inside there was a lot of water leaking from the roof. All the water was leaking for us. So all we had to clean, change all the tables. Yeah, I think next time we should be more prepared. We should have something to be, the water should not go inside. We should have a lot of blockage areas for the water.
當區關愛隊到場協助清理，有區議員認為要喺海濱現有嘅防波堤外再起多一條離岸防波堤，以防大浪突然衝上岸。
我哋都有向土木工程拓展處即係建議咧，喺我哋西貢嗰度咧係加高我哋現有嘅防波堤，再喺我哋跨灣大橋同埋我哋嘅海岸線之間呢，就再起多一個離岸嘅防波堤。咁個 breakwater 咧就應該要比較長啲，即係好似做到好似銅鑼灣嗰個避風塘咁樣，減少如果一啲越堤浪或者再高嘅浪花打上嚟帶水帶石，而減少影響前排嘅一啲商鋪或者一啲居民嘅設施咯。
方國珊又話，當局喺山竹之後已經重新鋪設海濱長廊嘅地磚，再用混凝土加固，今次風暴先至冇重現地磚橫飛嘅畫面。Now TV 記者鄭彤報道。